lovelies, welcome back to another one of my videos. Today we are going to be getting a lot of stuff done today, hopefully. But tomorrow my husband and I are going to be going to Hocking Hills for a night. We're going to go stay in a cabin. Tomorrow's our anniversary, so I gotta go to Kroger today and get some things for the cabin. But then I gotta come home, pack, and then just get a lot of cleaning done. I want to get everything nice and clean before we go. That way when we get back, even though we're only staying there a day, but still, when we get back, we can just relax. Because I plan on going hiking. My husband and I plan on going hiking while we're up there. But yeah, so by the time we get back, after we pick my daughter up from my parents, we should be pretty tuckered out. But yeah, I just want to get a lot done, and yeah, it's gonna be a packed day, but I'm looking forward to giving you guys a lot of content. Hopefully this gives you some cleaning motivation, and let's get to it.
We head for the sky.
I'm really hoping to get new cabinets by at least next year. I mean, if you can see here, like our cabinet doors are just, there by the sink, are just being destroyed. I don't know what is doing it, but yeah, it's not pleasant looking. So yeah, I'm hoping by next year to just get whole new cabinets and just redesign the kitchen. That's what I would love to do.
Take it to the heart, 'cause I know we won't make it out. I've heard it all before. Yeah, tell me what you want, let me hear that I'm the only one. You know that we won't make it out. We've heard it all before. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright. It's alright, so let's move on. 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 We head for the sky, it's alright. Our wings wouldn't fly, it's alright. If we are crashing down again, pieces of love, it's alright. Scattered in mud, it's alright. You're giving me a lie again. And tell me what you want, this time I won't take it to the heart, 'cause I know we won't make it out. I've heard it all before. Yeah, tell me what you want, let me hear that I'm the only one. You know that we won't make it out. We've heard it all before. It's alright. Hey, it's alright. Hey, it's alright. It's alright. It's alright, so let's move on. 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 Alright, so let's move on. Keep thinking that I could have done something, but now I'm left with an empty heart. No making amends, no waking up beside you. and holding you till we forget it all. How could I know there was no second chances? Like dominoes, my life got really scattered. You couldn't keep the door shut, and now the frostbite's creeping in. 'Cause I've been stone cold since you left me here. So come home, why won't you reappear? Things that I said came out totally wrong. Can't speak of the truth when it's tainted. I fell into a big black hole. It got me stone cold. You got me stone cold. You got me stone cold. You got me stone cold. Got me stone cold. No Wizard of Oz can undo what I've done. Completely out of luck this time. I'm stuck in reverse. I gotta get away now, but I can't seem to take the lead. Oh baby, how could I know there was no second chances? Like dominoes, my life got really scattered. Still, I find myself hoping that you'll find your way back to me. 'Cause I've been stone cold since you left me here. So come home, why won't you reappear? Things that I said came out totally wrong. Can't speak of the truth when it's tainted. I fell into a big black hole. It got me stone cold. You got me stone cold. You got me stone cold. You got me stone cold. Got me stone cold. You know I want you close, maybe hold your hand a little while. Somehow I know you're gonna be the girl that I'll end up calling my own. We ride around in style, sleeves rolled up, glasses on, and then you make that smile and my heart starts racing when I'm with you. You, when I'm with you. Can't get enough of this, being with you, it's like never-ending sunshine. Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. How could I ever let you go now when you're looking like that? Can't get enough of this, being with you.
day, I was just, the clothes I was already wearing, I wanted to go ahead and wash them. So I just went ahead and changed my clothes. So yeah, just wanted to let you guys know this all is the same day.
You know I want you close, maybe hold your hand a little while. Somehow I know you're gonna be the girl that I end up calling my own. Can't get enough of this, being with you is like never-ending sunshine. Feels like everything stops for a while when we look into each other's eyes. I feel I never let you go now, when you're looking like that. Can't get enough of this, being with you is a never-ending sunshine. Never-ending sunshine. Stumbling out of bed, and I still got you in my head. From all those pretty words you said, it's like I'm wasted. Every time I see your face, I'm losing track of time and space. I don't know where I am, it's like I'm wasted, and I won't waste it. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever, and I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah. I'll follow you, yeah. Could you come a little closer now? 'Cause I don't wanna slow this down. My heart is screaming out your name. I'm wasted on you. Here we are, right underneath the stars. So let's get a little reckless. You make me breathless, and I won't waste this. And I promise that I will stand by you forever. I can't get you out of my mind. I will follow you wherever, and I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah. Yeah, I won't waste this. 'Cause no one makes me feel like you do. You make me breathless. Yeah, no one makes me feel like you do. I promise that I will stand by you forever, and I won't waste this. I'll follow you, yeah. I'll follow you, yeah. I'll follow you, yeah. Yeah, I won't waste this.
Alright, and this is about the end of the video. This is all that I got done on camera anyways. I did get our bedrooms done. I just did those off camera that night because I just wanted to hurry up and get everything done. That way we were ready to pack the next morning and just get ready to go to the cabin. But yeah, we ended up having a bunch of fun. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope it gave you a lot of cleaning motivation. And if this is your first time here to my channel, I hope you will think about hitting that subscribe button down below and giving this video a like. But yeah, I will see you guys all in the next video. Bye guys!